aftermath of the flash flood that came through. It's left sidewalks full of dirt. We've got a guy over here at the church that's his job is to clean off all the debris and such. The whole parking lot is full, as well as the street here, rocks and dirt. Over here behind Walmart, a lot of tree branches. There's not a lot left to a lot of these trees. Lots of the branches were damaged, so they've had to cut them down. This poor little tree, not much of it left. And over here, major trimming going on, damaged and broken branches. And over here appears to be what is a body of water, which looks a lot like a lake, pond. Over here, just across from Walmart. A lot of the roads like this are just covered with debris, rocks and dirt.